Basically, we have deployed this technology at our head office. That is, 1 year back, we had our head office where the users were limited. However, considering the growth the bank was having, our management decided to shift head office to the different premises, having 33,000 square feet of the area. Naturally, the users we had projected there, from the 100 users, we projected about 300 users at the head office. So the normal traditional, which is the delivery of the mechanism, application delivery or whatever the services has to be given, that we put a desktop, that is. So bank was planning to put a 300 desktop for the head office, that is. However, when we calculated the return and the cost and the power requirement which was there, it was coming to awesome, that is, for 300 desktops. Secondly, the management required for managing the 300 desktop, we have to put the dedicated engineers there also. So whether we approach many vendors to see that whether alternate technology is available, which can reduce the OPEX cost considerably and help the bank to deliver the applications in time. So what were the business challenges which we faced? First and foremost challenge was data security. That is, earlier one distributed data was there with the branches. Each and every PC was having the data which was considering the advances notes were there or accounts or other secure information which was lying on the each and every user's desktop. Secondly, the manageability is the issue. Application rollout and upgrade was we are facing the challenges. Whenever nowadays each and every bank is having 20 applications which has to be put on the desktop. Now putting the 20 applications on the desktop, you need a dedicated engineer who can configure the desktop, who can put the links on the same. If the link gets changed, once again you have to put the 100 desktops, links has to be deployed. So manageability was the biggest question. Secondly, another was the green computing, reducing the power consumption and endpoints and contributing to the greener environment. Our vision was that the footprint of the device should be lower, so that the required power output should be lower. When we computed the power requirement for the desktops of the 300 deployment, 300 desktops to be deployed, the power requirement for the lone desktop was coming to 45 kV. That is, when we thought of the alternate solution, the power requirement reduced drastically by around about 80% of the time. So what solutions and challenges face? What we have done is that we have put the Citrix Zen Desktop Enterprise Edition hosted in the central data center. At data center, we have put the thin clients. Yeah. So thin client, we have put Wise thin client. The Wise thin client is around about 6-inch device which is there. The cost of the device itself is around about 7,000 rupees, considering the desktop which costs today with the licensing environment of 30,000 rupees. The cost in the licensing and the desktop, which was reduced also by around about 40-70% of the cost. Secondly, centralized application rollout and the patching environment was done through the centralized Zen desktop environment. What is the methodology followed? Generally, putting a new technology itself is a risk. In the cooperative banking environment, nobody has put the Citrix Zen desktop server. Secondly, we had the case and we have seen the HDFC Bank implementation, what they had done. So we done the proof of concept with the Citrix partner. Entire the applications, we put in the proof of concept, how it is working. Citrix, as well as its partner, demonstrated the entire concept to us, how it can save the power requirement, how the application delivery can be made, how the backups can be made. After the proof of concept and all the users were satisfied, we give the purchase order to the Citrix and the applications provider. What are the applications we have deployed? We have put our core banking solutions on the Citrix Zen desktop. So all the entire core banking solution is deployed on the Citrix Zen desktop. Open Office we have put Microsoft Office, we have put Adobe Reader, WinZip, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, all the browsers we have put. Our anti-money laundering solutions we have deployed. Our reporting solutions were deployed on the Citrix Zen desktop. What is the infrastructure we have used? We have used the HPC 7000 RAID architectures. There are 3 hosts, which BL460 with 2 X4 processors with 96 GB of RAM, with EVA storage and Wise thin client. What are the business benefits from the solutions which bank has got? First and foremost, the centralized application delivery. Today, any new applications we can deliver to all the 300 users at the click of a button, totally. Improve data security. Earlier, each and every desktop was having the data. Each and every desktop when failed, the user was not getting the data because they may not have taken the backup of the data. Today, the backup is a centralized backup of all the user data is taken. See, whenever the user requires the data as a backup also, we are able to provide the same. So the business data is also secured. Significant saving in the IT administration. Considering the earlier environment of 300 desktops that bank was planning to put, if we had put 300 desktops, we required the 6 dedicated engineers which has to be housed in the head office itself to manage the requirements of the 300 users. Now only one user does the work. Any requirement is there, he publishes the application from the central point. He troubleshoots the application from the central point sitting at data center. He need not be physically present also there. Naturally, there is infrastructure and requirement of the manpower, saying the 6 manpower were saved. Rapid application delivery, I said. Any application which is new application is coming, there is no need to go to the every branch and other thing. Just put at the centralized desktop level and push it, and the desktop is available. Easy backup. All the backup is now centralized. User doesn't have to concern regarding the data is backed up or not, his Outlook is backed up or not. All the applications and the emails are secured. Improved overall efficiency more than 40%. I can say the power requirement of that, what we are earlier projecting a 60 kVA UPS systems, now we are able to do it with the 30 kVA UPS systems with all the servers as well as the thin client. So about 50% of power requirement itself has saved, which is if we take a cost of 3 years return on investment, it is 300% return which bank gets. What is the solution architecture? So we have a Citrix then desktop servers are there, as well as the then desktops which are already there. Controller is there, provisioning server is there. Secondly, there is the file sharing systems are there. So all the